Now we're ready to begin piping our turkey. And what we're going to do is load our bags with icing. Now I'm using a parchment bag. Obviously you can use whatever kind of bag you prefer, whether that's disposable or a fabric bag. What we're going to do next is Spatula Stripe. That's a technique where we take one color, spread it up the side of the bag, and then fill the bag with another color. For this bag, we're going to use red and orange. So I've got red. Let's see here. I'm just going to spread it up the side of the bag like that. Now I'm going to fill the rest of the bag with orange. Now to close the bag, fold the top down. Keeps the mess contained. Fold the corners in, and then fold it down again. Now you can see barely through the bag that my red is here and my orange is here. I want the red to be on the outside edge when I pipe, so I'm actually going to rotate the tip so that the skinny end of my tip is next to the red and the fatter end is next to the orange. This is tip 124, which I'm using because I have an 8-inch cake. If you were working with a larger cake, say a 9-inch or even a 10-inch, you could go with a slightly larger tip, either a 125 or a 127. So as you can see, those are much larger than your 124. Now you want to prime your bag by giving it a squeeze, and what you'll get is a two-tone, and we're going to be ruffling that. Now if you decide that you want more or less of a certain color, you can rotate your tip and kind of play with it as you go. Okay, so we're going to set that bag aside, and we're going to make up our other bag, which is yellow and brown. Now to pipe the turkey, what we're going to do is pipe his tail feathers first. They're going to fan out, and it's going to be a ruffle. You want your fat end towards the middle of the cake with the skinny end pointed out. You're going to start on one side and just zigzag as you go. Then change bags. And just keep switching back and forth as you go. Now I've decided I'm not seeing enough of the yellow, so I am actually going to reposition the tip in my bag just a little bit. And I'm going to twist it so that the pointy end is not so much by the brown, the thin end, it's going to be a little bit closer to the yellow. And then I just take my lid here again. Let's see. There we go. Now I'm getting more of that yellow. And then this part we can leave open because we're going to figure pipe a body on there in just a moment, and it'll fill in that space. So there you've got your turkey's tail feathers.